Alright, now welcome to SE Custom Designs. I am in my kitchen getting ready for our craft show. This is our first Christmas craft show. We're hoping to do well, praying we're going to do well between me and my wife. And I want to thank you for tuning in to SE Custom Designs. If you like what you see, please give us a thumbs up, click the subscribe button, and leave us comments. We'll be glad to get back to you. This is going to be a very quick video. I'm going to show you a new concept that I thought about, and that is making handles. Make sure you can see what I'm saying. Making handles, knobs for my bandsaw boxes. This is the first time that I've ever done such a thing like this, and so I'm going to share that little nifty trick with you. So basically, I went to craft show and I picked up lots of different knobs. Basically what these are beads that were for a bracelet. Okay, and I thought, what if I found a concept like this? Where are we? So these are dowels, and I made sure when I was at the craft place that this hole was going to receive this dowel. Okay, so what I had to do in order to make that fit, though, I did get skinnier ones. Okay, but they are too skinny, and I need to do this as quickly as possible. At first, I envisioned that I was going to, you can see that's just a little too skinny. So I got plenty of both sizes. I don't want to have to spend time gluing it. So essentially all I did was took a sheetrock knife, and I just went ahead and thinned it down at the end. And then I want to introduce a new tool. This is called, I'm not sponsored by this company, by the way. Midwest Products has this thing called an Easy Cutter. And this tool is really coming in handy right now. What it's meant to do is to cut through thin pieces of wood just like this. And it has a safety, and I'll put a link below in the video so you can check this product out. Again, I'm not sponsored by the company. It has a nice safety feature, very easy handling, and it's got various degrees starting with 45 degrees all the way to 105 degrees, 120 degrees. So essentially really any angle that you need to put in there. So I will cut this right here, and I hope I don't lose it. Here we go. That easy, it cuts it. This is meant for cutting through balsa wood, really soft woods like your popsicles, for example. In this case, I'm cutting through a dowel, so I'm very happy about that. This really is coming in handy right now. So now, what we'll do is we'll take the bead and we will just convince it to go inside, just like that. That's all I really need. So there we go. This is the deal. Now all I have to do, and I have a drill bit here for boring in really small holes, and we're going to go ahead and I will tap it in, and we should be done. couldn't be more pleased with how quickly I can do that. So these are my bandsaw boxes. I won't take credit for this design. This is a gentleman by the name of Mo or Moe. Look him up, M-E-O-Y, I believe. But he came up with this design. And this is a bandsaw box. It's cut out from one solid piece of wood or joined up wood. And it all comes apart and back into itself. So this is a really, really cool idea. And I've got a lot to go. And the next one I'm going to be working on is this here. Isn't this very, very interesting? This is solid oak. This is was in the garbage. I pulled it out. What I'll be putting on this guy is these guys. So again, these were beads from bracelets. So yeah, he's gonna go in there. So I'm quite excited about that. All right, thanks for coming into the kitchen of SC Custom Designs. Again, if you like what you see, please subscribe to the channel. We're going to do our usual goodbyes. Just a quick video because I have a lot of work to do. We have to go set up for the craft show tonight and then go early tomorrow morning to the craft show. So Jefferson School in upstate New York. So Shalom Uvracha, Masalami, Tutsins, Tsajin, Arrivederci. Take care, stay safe in the woodshop. Keep that creativity coming.